how to use Jira for finance. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Jira for your finance job. So it's gonna be very easy. As you can see, this is my Jira account. And basically, we're gonna use space template from Jira. So we're gonna choose the finance category and we will choose the template that suits our job. So let's get started. So first you can open your Jira account and go to your dashboard. And then as you can see on the left side, there is space here. You can see, and there is plus icon. You can click it and it will brings you to the space template, and on the left side there are the some categories as you can see. And because in this video I'm going to show you how to use for finance, we're gonna choose finance here. And as you can see, there are the template. There are 8 templates you can use that suit your work. So there is finance service management, blank space if you want to start it from scratch. And there's budget planning, financial close, RFP process, space approvals, and others. And let's say I'm gonna use budget planning, you can click it and you can choose the name, maybe budget planning. And then you can choose how your space to manage, let's say team manage. And then you can choose the access. I'm going to choose private, so only admins and people you add to the project can search for, view, create, and or edit. So I'm going to choose private, and then I'm going to click next here. And then you can add or invite your team to your space. If you don't want to add it now, you can just click skip here in the right button. And this is your template. As you can see, you can manage all your needs to this template, and you can modify it. And also if you think you need another template, you can just repeat the process and choose another template. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.